Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is my week 3 bill stuffing video, and I've got a bit of extra cash as well today, which kind of makes up for other things that are sliding. Come on in. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. I'm the Budget Mum UK. I am a mum to 2 children, a 14-year-old and a 2-year-old, and this is all about my journey to becoming debt-free, having spent over £100,000 worth in debt. Not all by me, just so you know, but I'm down to the last few thousand now, and this is how I've done it, even though I quit my full-time teaching job. I've gone part-time and I do loads of mini side hustles, loads of little hints and tips and hacks on how to save money and how to live a really good life as well without spending too much cash. So if you think that's something of use to you, I would absolutely love it if you would come on this journey, because this community is amazing, it's fantastic, it's supportive, it's full of fantastic ideas, and it is free. And of course, it makes my absolute day every time you do hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon so you know every single time I upload a video. And if you are already subscribed, I already love you and you know how much I do and appreciate it. Thank you. So today we have got our usual money, which works out for £300, but I've got a student who has, believe it or not, done 3 extra sessions so far this week. They doubled up on the usual one and put 2 more in because this is a student who has resat the GCSE English, and this is the 4th time of doing it. So the first paper is on Wednesday, so he's really trying to get in as much as he possibly can, which is very nice for me. It's an extra £75 for me, which is great, especially after other things that have been going on with another student. I've got another video that's going to go out tonight, so it's a double whammy video today, explaining what's been going on with that, because yeah, it's not been good actually. So I hope I post it. I hope I feel brave enough to post it. I've filmed it already a couple of days ago and I'm just, I don't know. It should go out. I feel brave. Right, so that means I'm starting with £375. So let me check I've got that, because you know what I'm like for getting it all muddled. This was my 300 that came in. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. And then my extra 75 is there, which is great, especially after I had that little spendy kind of week. So what I found worked really nicely last week for me was where I filled this in before I did that. But before I do, I also want to check my week ahead, because that usually helps guide me of where I need to be putting extra monies, if anywhere. Now, I haven't actually got anything physically jotted down. I potentially might have met a friend on Friday evening, but don't even ask. My life, it just means I won't be doing that. I may. Holly's on a Duke of Edinburgh this weekend, so I've got some things I need to buy her for that, which is going to come out of the school budget. So I'm going to check that. Let me just pop that down so I don't forget. Holly. Oh. I think most of the stuff we've got from like camping and things that we used to do years ago, but I just need to double check. She'll need food, snack things that she can take with her, because she's got to do it all herself, which she's not looking forward to. But I'm looking forward to the peace and quiet. Yeah, I might do something with Alex here. I've thought about going to Alton Towers, but again, I've got that Merlin pass, so I'll see what the weather's like, and I'll have to check what time she's back, because I don't know what time that is. But I'll imagine I can't do it on the Saturday, because I imagine the student that is who's doubled up on his sessions, he's already in on the Saturday normally anyway, and if he wants to do a double session, because there's 2 papers to English, he might want to do that. So that's why I'm not going Saturday. Or I could see a friend Saturday evening. There's nothing in concrete yet. We'll see. We'll see. Right. Let's leave that there. So I'm going to have a look at where I'm going to put my money. And let's get cash stuff in. Right, so last week my time with me took quite a hit, so there's 20 in there. I had 15 left over from groceries. Gifts is okay. Petrol, and I've got some in beauty today. Oh, can't imagine what it's like. I could do that. If I could have an Alex free day and a Holly free day, I could go to a beauty parlour, get my hair done, get my nails done, get my eyebrows done. Can't see that happening for a while. So let's throw 20 in here. Don't need a lot in groceries, but I am planning another food video because I know you love those. Thinking about doing a vegetarian one because a few people have asked for that. I'll have a look. So let's put 20 in there because I've already got 15 in. We'll see. I'm going to put 20 in here whilst I can to fill it up. Gifts. Doesn't really need any, but I do want to try and build up a backlog a bit, and I'll put another 20 in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90 pounds there, which means that I've got left over 285, or I should have. So let's do that now. So okay, so the rest of it are my sinking funds at the moment. So I've got to start at 285. I'm leaving emergency. I'm leaving my car repairs because those are both full. So obviously I only emptied my deck quite late on for that. Education. I'm gonna leave, let me see how much is in school, because 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. So I'm hoping it won't cost me more than 105 for the DV. It's quite a cheap thing for it to get into. So let's see, let's put 20 in there anyway, because obviously I still need to then start saving back up for a uniform ready for next term. Let's do 20 here, 20 here. Nothing's going in new car because I've still not made that envelope. Too busy, which is nice busy. Repairs. Oh, it's car. This was car insurance. That's full. Oh, I have got my MOT booked in for the 14th, so maybe I should put some into this one then. Let me put 20 in that, and then the rest can go in 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, well, that's all right. That'd be really good then if I can get... Is that right? I feel like I've got a lot going into my debt envelope. Well, let's find out. You know what I'm like. Or maybe you don't if you've not been here before. Right, I'm leaving education for now. School's getting 20. Holly's getting 20. Sandra's getting 20. Car repair's going to 20. Still a bit my envelope. And that's getting nothing, which means I should have, in theory, £205 to go into my debt. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, yeah, 205. Ooh, that was a nice, pleasant surprise. That's what happens, I suppose when you do extra overtime. So that's me all cashed up. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.